Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Corey, and this is Invest with Corey. The reason why I started this channel is because I really wanted to share my plethora of knowledge on the stock market with you. Be sure to subscribe and tap that bell so this way you guys know when I post a video or go live, as I have tons of content on the way after this video. And this is not financial advice. I am just coaching you on strategies and understanding the market. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an introduction to who I am, my experience, and what I'm looking to do and accomplish with this channel. So I've been working in the stock market since 2018. I got started actually a little bit earlier in 2016, and I just really wasn't putting all the time or commitment into it. I didn't really go full-time in the stock market until 2019. I have a degree in finance as well as analytics, psychology, and deductive reasoning, which plays a very big part in the stock market. So I've got some really good experience on both sides, not just the technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis. I also have experience in psychology and deductive reasoning and analytics. This way I can understand the psychology of the market better. I've studied psychology pretty much my whole life because my dad's a psychologist, so it's kind of been around me for a very long time. The stock market is really a game of expectations. Analytics, whether it's technical or fundamental, news, and just the overall sentiment, greed, fear, all these things come together and make the market. And there's so much to tell you guys. You really got to stick around for this journey because we're going to go through so much content. And my goal is to teach you how to trade better and to make money doing this. So whether you're just looking to retire early, supplement your income, or you're looking to go full time with it and you're just really wanting to start somewhere to understand the stock market or do it the right way, maybe you have losses and a lot of them and you're looking to improve. Maybe you've looked at other channels, other videos, and just couldn't figure out what's going on. There's so many things about the market that you don't understand. Catalysts like news, updates, market sentiment, sector sentiment, technical, fundamental analysis, psychological and mental and emotional thinking, deductive reasoning, all kinds of things that play in the market. And in order to understand all of these things, in order to understand the market, you basically have to have a fundamental understanding of each of these things collectively and individually. This way you can piece them together and understand exactly what you're doing in the market. And one prime example is trading options. You can't trade options without having the proper tools. Options are very complex, but also very lucrative. So I have a series of videos I'm going to be releasing teaching you guys how to get better with options. And one prime example is understanding the Greeks like delta, gamma, theta, rho, and vega. And no, not Vega from Street Fighter. Vega as in a Greek, as in stocks, not Street Fighter. It's not Vega. Never mind. We'll get into that later. Most of the videos I show you are going to be coming from one of my smaller portfolios that I started very recently. And I want to show you guys how that will grow as we progress the YouTube channel. I figured it would be a great way to do this, to use a smaller portfolio. Most people are going to have a smaller portfolio. It's going to be somewhere between $5,000 to $10,000, maybe even less. And there are going to be some people that have up to $20,000, $30,000, maybe even $50,000, but the average is going to be between $5,000 and $25,000. I figured it makes more sense. Let's just use my small portfolio and we're going to start growing it through these videos. And I'm going to show you guys all of my trades. This is a journey we're going to have together, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do this the right way. I'm no financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am just coaching you on strategies and understanding the market. So if you guys are excited and want to have the opportunity to learn the right way so that you can make money for yourself and make decisions on where you want to put your money to grow your own portfolio successfully. I'm truly passionate about the market and about trading and investing, but I'm even more passionate with teaching and helping other people have a better life. With the market, I became obsessive with it. Even after college, I spent months, and I'm talking months and months, just reading books, studying the market, learning from mistakes and bad trades. And a lot of people get the market wrong. They get the idea wrong. If you're just starting out trading, I highly recommend watching some of my upcoming videos before you dive in too quickly. You can lose a lot of money in the market. Even if you're making good trades right now and you're making money, odds are you're going to lose more than you're making because most traders don't succeed. The crazy part about the market is more than 85% of traders in the market that start out quit within the first year, and a big chunk of them in the first 6 months. They haven't even had a chance to grow or trade properly. There's so much in the market to learn. You have to be careful. Even if you've had a few successful trades, it doesn't take very much to lose everything you've earned over the course of a week or two or even more in just a few short hours or days. You got to be very careful, and I have a very tight system that I run that works, and I'm going to share that with you guys. And I have so much I want to talk about in this channel. I want to teach you guys how to do this the right way, because there's a lot of videos on YouTube and a lot of systems. And you know what? I'm not going to get into it, but most of them don't make any sense. In fact, most of them are just fads or clickbait. They just want you to click into what the hottest fad or trend is. And you know what? We all know what happens to fads and trends. They fade away. We don't want your portfolio fading away, do we? You really want all your hard-earned money fading away? I know I don't. So the idea is to have consistency, and there's no way to have consistency without knowledge and training as well as experience. So I want to share all of my experiences that I've gained in the last 6 to 7 years and everything I learned in college. I'm going to try to teach you guys in the most fun way possible and make it as easy as I can, but get right down to brass tacks. This way you guys are going to be able to absorb it like a sponge. And if you guys ever have questions in any of my videos, be sure to leave those comments below. So we're going to have a good time and a lot of fun. I've got a lot of passion and energy. So I'm Corey. This is Invest with Corey. Thanks so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe, tap the bell, give me a thumbs up, comment below. We'll catch you guys on the next video, and let's grow our wealth together. We'll see you soon, guys.